Good morning and welcome to the third Hong Kong edition of One Day Design Challenge by Roca. Today we're going to talk about the shower area, and what we ask is to add more value to that area of the bathroom. Good luck and enjoy designing your products today. Let the challenge begin.
It's really challenging. Well, I've never been this part of the industry before, especially in product designs. There's so many young professionals around here. The juries are such professionals that make me feel inspired every minute in this challenge.
Topic is about a bathing area. It's a little bit like involved into the interior product, so it's quite unexpected and quite fresh for us.
Well, I think it's a great initiative that Roca has been taking, especially with regards to water, saving water, because a lot of the designs these days, they go really futuristic.
We both are product design students from PolyU, and we thought it would be, our semester is getting too busy, so we thought it would be a good time to have a break from all of that.
Last year I came with my friends, and this time I came alone, so time is even more limited.
Well, I think the Hong Kong market is open to new ideas. I would like to see what the next step is. I'd like to hear from the participants what's the next steps beyond the wet room.
I think this is a taste of the real world. Designers can really explore creativity. Design, after all, is to solve problems.
The concept is to bring a new way of well-being. The whole challenge is not just design itself, it's a new way of looking at our daily life.
We believe the contest now is more mature, so the participation this year was great. For Roca, the design is one of the core values of the brand.
The winner for the third prize is Wong Wen-ki and Li Si-Yang from PolyU.
Different problems just in a few hours. So I think it's very interesting but challenging.
And Yannis Yon from N Group Design Studio.
It's very enjoyable. Yeah, it's a very good experience. We thank you, Roca.
And the winner is Yuan Lian Guang and Lam Wing San.
I think it's raised our potential of the idea thinking and enjoy the competition very much.
The We Are Water Foundation Special Prize goes to Project Serrebois Nchakwang Tan Hoye from the PolyU.
We actually spend a lot of time on the concept, so we don't actually have a lot of time executing the idea.